square root of x minus 5 plus square root of x plus 5 is equal to 10. Here how we can find out the value of x. If you know any shortcut shortcut method to solve this, so you can comment me. I am solving here this equation. So let's see how we can solve this equation. Solution. Square root of x minus 5 plus square root of x plus 5 is equal to 10. This is question. So we can do here one thing. We can take this square root of x minus 5 plus square root of x plus 5 to the whole square is equal to 10 square. We are taking square on both sides. So here you can mention taking square on both sides. Now this is a form of a if we are considering this one a plus this one b. So a plus b whole square. Now we are applying here a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is formula. So using this formula here we can write this one square root of x minus 5 to the whole square a square plus b square. B is x plus 5 to the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 times a, that is x minus 5 times b. B is x plus 5 is equal to 10 square, that is 100. Now you can see here x minus 5 under square root and here square. So square is cancelled from square root. We know this. Same here. Square is cancelled from square root. So we will get here x minus 5 plus x plus 5 plus 2 times. Now here is square root and here is square root. So we can take 2 times x minus 5 times x plus 5. Sorry, x plus 5. This will become x plus 5. Square root is here is equal to 100. Now x minus 5 x plus 5. So this 5 is cancelled from this 5. X plus x, it will become 2x. So we will get here 2x plus this one 2x plus 2. And here you can see this is the form of a minus b a plus b. This is x plus 5. So a minus b a plus b. We know the formula of a minus b a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A is here x and b is here 5. So a square, that is x square minus b square. B is 5. So 5 square is equal to 100. Now 2x plus 2 and here under root square x square minus 25 is equal to 100. Now here 2x plus 2 and here this one. So we can take common 2 because here 2 present and here 2 present. So we can take common 2 outside. So here we are taking outside of bracket 2. It will become here x plus. Now here square root of x square minus 25 is equal to 100. Right. Now we have to cancel this 2. So we can divide by 2 on both sides. So divide by 2 on both sides. So 2 times x plus square root of x square minus 25 is equal to 100 divided by 2, and here also divided by 2. So this 2 is cancelled from this 2. Now here x plus square root of x square minus 25 is equal to, now 100 divided by 2, it will become here 50. We got here one equation, that is x plus under square root of x square minus 25 is equal to 50. Now we can write this one x square minus 25 is equal to 50 minus x. This one 50 minus x. Now we have to cancel this square root, so we can take square on both sides. Taking square on both sides, we will get here x square minus 25 to the whole square is equal to 50 minus x to the whole square. Now here again square is cancelled from square root. Now we get here x square minus 25 is equal to 50 minus x to the whole square, right? Now here this is the form of 50 minus x, that is a minus b whole square. So we have to apply here formula a minus b whole square formula. So it will become here x minus 25 is equal to 50 minus x square. So it will become here a square, that is 50 square plus x square minus 2ab, 2 times 50 times x. Now x square minus 25 is equal to 50 square. So 5 5 is 25 and 2500 plus x square minus here 50 times 2, it will become here 100x. Now you can see here x square and here x square, so we can cancel this term. Now here minus 25 is equal to 2500 minus 100x, right? Now we can write this one 100x, this one here 100x is equal to 2500 plus 25. Now 100x is equal to 25. Now therefore x is equal to 25 divided by 100. So when we are dividing this one, 100 to the 200, 500 हो जाएगा, and here 25. So x is equal to 25.25. So we got the solution, this one x is equal to 25.25. This is the solution for this equation. So we can say value of square root of x minus 5 plus square root of x plus 5 is equal to 10. At that time value of x is equal to 25.25. This is the solution. Thank you.